How to send photos privately on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send photos privately on Instagram. Now you can send them to anyone through DMs without posting publicly, and it's really simple. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the DM icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you are in the DM section, simply select any person or the group chat that you want to send the photo to. And now here, once you are inside that particular person chat box, then what you can do is simply tap on the camera icon shown in the bottom left side of the screen. And now from here, you can simply click the photo that you want to send. And now here, once you have taken the photo, at the bottom left side there you can see the allow replay button. So simply tap on it. And now here, before sending, you will see three previewing option: view once, allow replay, and keep in chat. So if you want the photo to disappear after opening one time, then you can simply select view once. If you want the other people to view the photo twice, then you can simply tap on allow replay. Or if you want it to stay in chat permanently, then what you can do is simply select keep in chat. So select one of these options depending on how private you want it. And now here, once you're done with it, you can simply tap on send. And that's it. That's how you can send photos privately on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.